Yeah.
With that one, if it's not too thick.
Yeah. Yeah, it's quite thin. Yep.
Breathing. Breathing is that warm or cool? Probably cool for you. It's comfortable because it molds to my body.
So it's the start of a new week. All the felt's on now, except for this back part of the roof. Now Ted's up there at the moment, infilling the stones. It's quite hard to explain, but we did explain on last week's vlog, between the rafters. Are they called rafters?
The striped ones, the ones that go down that way.
Yeah. Yeah, so between, I know all the technical terms, don't I? Between the rafters, where there's big gaps, where they've had to take a load of stone out to get the rafters in nice and straight, or on a nice level. Ted's now mucking in with cement and stone to bring that back up so it's nice and flat. So the last piece of membrane, waterproof membrane, can go on. The battens are all on the other side, and then we can start putting the tiles on. However, there is a job I've got to do before the tiles go on. That's writing everybody's name on there. Everybody that's made a donation to the cottage, as we now call it, the renovation of the cottage, your name will be going on a tile and will be in this roof for as long as it stands, and all of our patrons, all of their names will also go on it because they're the people that keep us going every single week. So thank you all to everybody who's made those donations. Your names will be going on there. I'm going to go and start that soon because I've actually got quite a nice day for it. But Ted's, yeah, mucking in up there, get that done, and then hopefully come tomorrow the roofer can come back and we can start getting the tiles on. It's a real feat actually when you think about it. In, 5 days, the roof's come off and it's going back on. I think that's absolutely brilliant. Is that going to be safe enough?
No. There's no reason why it shouldn't be. Feels alright. long as it don't slip. You can't slip that way.
Right, just be careful because you haven't done your wheel yet, have you?
There's nothing to leave, darling. Don't worry about it. You've got. I hate to say, you've got nothing coming your way.
You're worth more to me alive.
Only for the fact that I can do shit like this. That's what it is, isn't it? That's the only reason.
So the names are all on the tiles. God, my back's killing me. It's taken forever. Thank you all so much. It's not too late if you want your names on there. There's still some tiles left. And although next week we start to put the tiles on, it will take a few days. So if you get your donations in now, I can still get your names on the tiles and they go up there. Yeah, thank you all so much. And I think Ted has just about finished mucking in the top of the roof. Have you finished, baby?
Thumbs up. We're all done.
I'll let you down now.
Hey?
I'll let you down now.
Thank you very much.
So it's been a good day. Thank God that the weather held today because we really wanted to get this stuff done. Next job, tiles start going on the roof.
Fabulous.
Lots of jobs to do after that though. We'll see you all again soon. Don't forget, please like, subscribe, thumbs up, hype button, everything you can. And if you can share the channel with any of your friends or on your social media, that is really, really helpful to us sharing. That really does help the algorithms. Thank you all so much. We'll see you all again very, very soon. Take care, everyone.